I'm sure you're enjoying your reading challenge. I'm Mernosh, your W3 coach, with you once again. Last week, you figured out what changes you need to make in your environment, your behavior, your capabilities, values and beliefs, and identity when it comes to reading. In the Brainable, Pawan has already shown you the steps that you can take to create a suitable environment for reading. Today, we are going to start working on change related to behavior. Your behavior is directly impacted by your mental state. As one of the principles of NLP says, your psychology affects your physiology and your physiology affects your psychology, and both together affect your behavior. So think about it. What are the appropriate mental states that you need for this reading challenge? Focus, concentration, interest, motivation, curiosity. Yeah, these are some of the useful states to have when reading a book, isn't it? Now tell me, which of these would be most useful to you? Let's take the two main ones, focus and curiosity. All other states will automatically get triggered once these two states of focus and curiosity are combined within you when you read. I'm going to take you through a very powerful technique that will ensure that you have these two useful states of focus and curiosity with you whenever you sit to read. To start with, I want you to look back in your life and jot down at least two moments or memories from your own life when you were completely focused about what you were doing. Plus, at least two such memories or moments in your life when you were absolutely curious about what you were going through. I repeat, at least two memories when you had the desired mental state of being focused, plus at least two memories when you had the desired mental state of being curious. Now these two memories could be in the context of reading, or they could be in a different context altogether. For example, you may have been focused in a game of cricket or chess or any other sport in a particular moment, either while playing it or while watching it. You might have been curious to find out why your friend is behaving in a certain manner. Or you may have been curious to know the ending of a suspenseful murder mystery movie or a web series. So I want you to make the quick list of these four memories. And once you have done that, identify your spot where you will sit to read. I am sure you would have already identified this spot when you decided on your appropriate reading environment. To make it more specific, it could be your favorite chair where you sit to read, or your chair next to your study table, or it could be a favorite corner of your room where you may sit down to read. So in order for you to continue this process, I want you to go and stand next to that seat or chair right now. Now as you stand there, I want you to think of the first memory from your list, when you already had the desired mental state of being completely focused in whatever you were doing. Recall that particular moment from memory. Relive that as you are completely focused. Re-experience it fully, as if you are now seeing what you saw, hear what you heard, and feel what you felt when you were completely focused in that moment. And when you find yourself in the state of being completely focused that you had then and now in the moment, imagine yourself intensifying the state of focus in a manner that is helping you to concentrate on whatever you are doing right now in the moment. And now, with this intensified state of focus, sit down on that chair or in that place that you have identified for your reading practice. Sit there with the complete state of focus. Imagine yourself attaching that state of focus to that particular seat or chair. Stay there in that position on that seat for a few more seconds. Okay, now you can get up from the seat, stand up, come to the present moment, move around a bit. Maybe you want to stretch or have a glass of water, do that. Now once again, I want you to take the second memory from your life where you were completely focused and concentrating in whatever you were doing. Once again, we will follow the same process. Standing next to the chair or that seat, Think of this time in your life when you already had the desired mental state of being completely focused in what you are doing. Recall that particular moment from your memory. Relive that moment as if you are completely focused right now. Re-experience it fully. See what you saw, hear what you heard, feel what you felt when you felt completely focused. And when you find yourself being in the state of complete focus that you had then and now having in this moment, imagine yourself intensifying that state of focus in a manner that is helping you to concentrate on whatever you are doing in that moment right now. And now, with this intensified state of focus, sit down on the chair or in the place that you have identified for your reading practice. Sit there with the complete state of focus. Imagine yourself attaching this state of focus once again completely to this particular seat or chair. Stay there in that position on that seat for a few more seconds. Okay, now again you can stand up, move around a bit, come back to the present moment, stretch a bit, have a glass of water if you want. Okay, now take the third memory from your life. This time it would be the one where you were absolutely curious about whatever you were doing. Once again, we will follow the same process. Now, standing next to the seat or chair, think of a time in your life when you already had the desired mental state of being absolutely curious. Recall that particular moment from your memory. Relive that memory as if you are absolutely curious. Re-experience it fully as if you are seeing what you saw, you are hearing what you heard, you are feeling what you felt when you were absolutely curious. When you find yourself in that state of being absolutely curious that you are having in this moment, imagine yourself intensifying that state of curiosity in a manner that's going to help you to be completely in the moment right now of whatever you are doing, completely interested. And with that intensified state of curiosity, sit down on that chair or on the place that you have identified for your reading practice. Sit there with that state of curiosity. Imagine yourself attaching that state of curiosity once again completely to this particular seat or chair. And now stay there for a few more seconds, stay seated, and then you can now get up, come back to the present moment, move around a bit, or simply stretch, have a glass of water. Now let's take the fourth memory from your life. Again, it would be another one where you are absolutely curious about what you are doing, and we will follow the same process. Stand next to the seat or the chair. Think about the time when you already had this mental state of curiosity. Recall that particular moment from your memory. Relive it, re-experience it fully, as if you are seeing what you saw, hearing what you heard, feeling what you felt. And when you find yourself in this state of being absolutely curious, as you are right now in the moment, imagine yourself intensifying that state of curiosity. As you intensify that state of curiosity in that moment, right now, sit down on that chair or in that place that you have identified for your reading. Sit there with the complete, absolute state of curiosity. And imagine yourself attaching this state of curiosity once again, but completely to this particular seat or chair. Stay there for a few more seconds. And then you can get up, stand up, move around, come back to the present moment, stretch a bit. Now, in case you have listed more than 4 memories, then you can actually repeat this process for each of the memories that you have listed for your powerful, useful states of focus and curiosity. So friends, congratulations, what you have just created is your seat of focus and curiosity. Yes, right there on your chair, in your favorite seat in the room. This technique is based on a powerful NLP process called anchoring. What you have done is you have anchored the useful states which are needed for you to read, and you have anchored them right in the place where you'll be sitting for reading. Not only for this challenge, but actually for your lifetime. In case you think that there are multiple seats or places in your house or your office where you may need these useful mental states of curiosity and focus, then you can actually follow the same process for each of those places in your life. So friends, I look forward to seeing your messages and your feedback and your response on how it's working for you. Till then, happy reading, all the best. See you next week.